Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Create a threshold layer. Select the text layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I use a radius of 19 pixels for now. Select the threshold layer and adjust the level to create the ink bleed effect. Adjust the threshold and the Gaussian blur until you're happy with the effect. Select all the layers. Right-click on them and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Add a bit of blur. Go to Filter, Noise. Add noise. You can find the settings I used here, but you can also try out different settings. And that's how you create this ink bleed effect.